Today I'll be teaching as to how to conduct an essay competition through Google Form and later generate an e-certificate. For that you should have a Gmail account and later move on to Google Apps. From there scroll down to Drive. Before entering into the Google Form, you have to just see the certificate pattern. In the earlier videos, I have already taught us how to create a certificate. So this is my certificate format, and as of now I am closing it. I am getting back to new. Scroll down to more. From there move on to Google Forms. Here you can give a title as PG and Research Department. It is left to you as to what you have to write. Research Department. Here you are going to ask the personal details. Personal details. So the first one will be the name. So this is not a multiple choice question, it is a short answer and this is required. Then later course name, year and course name will be better. Then let it be also required. Then next write the institution name also. Institution name, and this is also required. When this work is done, later you have to pose a essay question. That is, write an essay on COVID-19. So this work is being done. So this has been required. This is click it as paragraph. It has come automatically. Later scroll up, go to settings, collect all email address. So email address will come to the starting point. Limit to 1 response. Then click quiz. From there make this a quiz. Instead of immediately after submission, you have to click later after manual review. This you can uncheck it, that is a correct answer, and later save it. So once you are done with it, move on to adds on, go to form limiter, set the deadline as to when they have to submit the essay. Later you have to click select. Here I am interested in date and time, so I am selecting the date as say 27th of June and time as say 9 PM. Any of it is left to the host to decide. After this date and time, this message will pop up if they try to access. Then later click save and enable. So you can see it is just moving on. It is taking much time. It will get over in a second, I suppose. So it has got saved. You can close it. Again get to adds on. Click Certify M. Enable Certify M in this quiz. Later get started. So even before going to Certify M, you have to assign marks for the essay, or else the Certify M will not get activated. So I am assigning, say, 20 marks, and then I am clicking done. Now I'll turn off the status of certification. Only after assigning the mark you can on the Certify M. Later decide the pass percentage. Here I am assigning as 50%. For the template, I have got my own template, so use a custom template. Select a new file. Always this should be in Google Slide. Select it. So when this is done, save changes. So see, the certificate for the essay has appeared. Now you can close this also. Later, move on to send. Now if you have got email ID, you can send via the email. Suppose you don't have email ID, you can click the link, shorten the URL, and you can send it to many persons via WhatsApp. Now you can copy it. Now I've got a message as to what it has to be written. That is the PG and Research Department of Economics, Government Arts College. That is, they are pleased to inform that they are going to conduct an essay competition. Paste the link over here. Once the link is being pasted, just copy this and go to the WhatsApp, and you can send it to your friends so that they can forward it to others too. Now I am sending this link to my daughter. So just paste it. So she will receive in this format. Now she can access the link. So she'll be typing her email ID ajitanshobha@yahoo.com. Name is, say, Shobha. Year and course name is 3rd BA Economics. Institution name is Government Arts College, Coimbatore. Then later you can type your essay. That is, the participants can type the essay, or else they can type it in a Word format and just copy it and can paste it over here. Can paste it over here. Once it is pasted, the participant can submit over here. Once it is submitted, we can check as to what the essay is in which form. I'll just close it off. So we have received one response. So we have to click individual year, and then you have to scroll down. So you can see that this is the email ID. The participant is Shobha. She's studying in 3rd B Economics, and she's from Government Arts College, Coimbatore. This is her essay. So after reading the essay, I feel that she has done well. So I am assigning a mark of, say, 20 marks, and then I have to click save. Now once that is done, you have to release the score. So release the score. Now if suppose there are many respondents, you can click all the respondents, but now we have got only one respondent, so we are just sending the email and we are releasing it. We'll just see whether We have received it. It is taking time. So yes, the score has been released, but we haven't received the certificate. That time the participant can contact you all. You can verify as to why the certificate has not been released as a host. You can get back to the say release score once again. Again send email and release it to check whether they have received or not. If still they haven't received it, we have to go back to CertifyM, resend the certificates. So it has been already sent according to our data, that is the host data. It has been sent. We will just check over. Yes, it has been sent. We'll just check it up. So I am downloading the certificate. We'll just see how the certificate will appear. So this is to certify that Shobha 3rd BA Economics, Government Arts College, Coimbatore has participated in the essay competition. So everything is in its place. So successfully the certificate has been generated. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you for listening.